side view. We're going to visit the Kamehameha statue over there across the street. We're going to go around the block and we'll pause there for a little while. But Iolani Palace, interesting story is King David Kalakaua. When he was king, he would like to travel.
We are currently in the historic area of Honolulu visiting the King Kamehameha statue. King Kamehameha united all the Hawaiian islands. Kind of been a lot of history thrown at me over the last couple of days. But yeah, this is a statue. My puff would allow y'all to see. There it is. Charles wants to get one of these trees for our future house and put it in the backyard. No parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor. 1989. Wow. I wonder what this says. What's your thoughts on poke?
It's really flavorful.
What kind did you get?
I got the number one. I don't know.
It's like show. I don't remember what it's called either.
But it's good. I'm not really feeling the coldness of it. But
Yeah.
I don't know. They taste like
Mine is not all that cold. It's kind of like it almost wants to be warm. I got spicy poke. It's tuna, basically. It's ahi tuna with some like seasonings and sauces and some white rice. You can also get brown rice, or if you don't want the tuna, you can also get salmon. But I like this. I saw it on YouTube. I had made a list of a bunch of different foods and food places. This is like a staple in Hawaiian food. Like you cannot come to Hawaii, any part of it, and not try poke. Like even if you just think it just sounds and looks nasty, just try it. It might change your mind.
Gay and free together, just you and I, in a little heaven over a silvery sea. Days will be lazy and simply.
So we were trying to attend this hula show, but as you can see, it has started to rain and everybody has left. But they said we can come get a lei, and they won't have a show Thursday because it's Halloween, but they'll be back Saturday. So we're going to try to catch them on Saturday, and hopefully it won't be raining.
One, two, three.
We've seen the 6 main islands of Polynesia. So we have Samoa, we have Aotearoa, New Zealand. So that's where
This host,
I'm only gonna do this once, so pay attention. Okay, piece of cake. Hey, Georgia, hey, hey, never! Come on, give it up.
This evening, like I mentioned, it's a feast. And this evening we'll share with you the story and the legacy of our beloved queen, the last queen of Hawaii, Lili'uokalani. But in the meantime, in between time, welcome. My name is Sia. It's a pleasure to host.
I was supposed to do a hike this morning. I'm trying to get sick. Oh my God. We were supposed to do a hike this morning, but we overslept. So, oh well, it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all. We're supposed to be going to Waikiki tonight, and they said it's not to be missed. So we're just gonna chill today. I'm gonna go downstairs and get something for this sore throat. Cause this is what we not gonna do. Our anniversary is tomorrow.